Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to customize the appearance of Canva's text boxes. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Canva web application, which of course I have done right here. And then the next thing you would want to do is to head over to Canva's editor suite. I'm going to open up a design that will lead me to Canva's editor. So here I go. This is the editor and my design is loading up. All my elements right here in the suite will open up soon enough, just like it has done right now. Now let's hop in. So how do you customize the appearance of Canva's text boxes? Now we have a text box here. So this is one and these are other text boxes, right? So let's say I want to customize this first one, don't miss R. I can just click that open and head over to the left corner of the screen and then click on text. So now that I'm in text, I can of course tweak this to whatever I want. So I can change this to add a heading and see what it's going to look like. No. I'm going to undo. So I'm going to click that. Okay. So let's say this is a text box, right? And we don't want to add anything new, all right, the default text style, because if you click on any of these, it's going to open up a different text box for you to add in, but that's not what we want. I'm going to do Control Z. So this is a text box and I just want to customize this to be beautiful. Now let's explore these options more. What does more say? It has copy, paste, duplicates, layer, align to page, show timing, and alternative text, and all this stuff. Let's say I don't want to use them. Yes, I don't want to use them. So I can just click that again and head over to this top. First, I want to change the color of this text to something else. Let's say I want to use, you see that color is not just coloring. So I'm just going to keep changing the color until I get what I want. I don't want to make it to be completely red because of course there's red in the background already. That's white. So okay, that's pretty cool. That's a brighter shade of red. And then still here, don't miss R. I can go ahead and change the font size. All right, this is 42.3, so I can change it to 50. So you see it's bolder now. All right, so I can click on it too. So the bold option is not available because it's already boldened. So I can click on italics to actually make it, italicized, or the underline to add the underline to it. But I don't want that underline option, so italics is cool. Now, the next thing that I can do to customize this is to click on this where I have other font options. So I open that up and it's going to take me to a wide array or to a world of text. So let's say this is Sanchez. All right, so let's change it to leaks pattern. You can see that's how that looks like. Let's go to Lato or leaks pattern, global indifference. So just keep checking all till you definitely find what you want. Or let me just go to Pissants. No, Pissants somehow. Leaks pattern seems like a cool one for me. So I'm just going to leave that open. Now, as you can see, it's no more italicized because this is already italicized. So the italics option is not enabled. So that's another. So I can go ahead and use all these options as well. I can align right to the middle or to the right, or justify it, or to the left. To the center, to the right, justify. So justify is just going to make it so good for me. I don't want to add a bullet point, so I'm definitely going to use this. That's not my business. So if I can click on animate, all right, the text can definitely be animated. So here you have different options. So this is the first one. As you can see, it's coming up that way. All right, so this is what this one looks like. All right, and this is how this one looks like. Okay, so just move your cursor and you see. Awesome. Like drama here. I can just click this, and I'm not gonna remove animation, right? Because I don't want to remove it. So I like this animation, so let it be there. All right, so the next thing I'm gonna do is uh next thing I'm gonna do is to click on transparency. Click on that font, please. So transparency, I can use this to actually make it transparent. All right, so move the slider backward, and you see it's really faint. I'll take it forward, and it's just bold, as bold, as bold. I want it to be bold, so I'm just gonna leave that there. So I can click on this, right, because it's an animated stuff again, so it's animated. So see how the text is. This is a preview. So once you're done, go ahead and click on share and download, and that's just going to be it. So this is pretty much how you can customize a text box